Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? So symmetric matrix is a square matrix. A is said to be symmetric if A dash equals A. Means any square matrix will be symmetric if A dash equals A. A dash means transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is equal to given matrix, then the square matrix will be symmetric. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ದಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಎಸ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 1 2 2 4. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, what is a dash? Transpose it. A dash equals convert row into column. So 1 2 first row become first column, second row become second column. Now observe 1 1 2 2 2 2 4 4. Each and every terms of A and A dash are equal. Therefore what? Therefore A dash equals A. So A dash equals A. Therefore A is a symmetric matrix. Clear? Let us take one more example. A equals, let A equals 1 0 minus 4 0 5 3 minus 4 3 1. Okay. Next A dash. What is A dash? A dash means transpose it. Yes, first row become first column. 1 0 minus 4, second row 0 5 3, third row minus 4 3 1. Now check these two matrices are either equal or not. Yes, 1 1 0 0 minus 4 0 0 5 5 3 3 minus 4 3 3 1 1. Each and every terms are equal. Therefore A dash equals A. If A dash equals A, then A is called symmetric matrix. Right? So here symmetric matrix agbeku andre first of all it is a square matrix. Then transpose of the matrix and the given matrix are equal. Okay, this is definition. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಿ ಇಟಿಗೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ 1 0 minus 4 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 0 minus 4, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ 0 5 3, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 0 5 3, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ minus 4 3 1 and third column minus 4 3 1. Simple. Means corresponding rows and columns are equal, then the matrix is symmetric. That is for CET. Okay. Yes, you can write next example. Whatever 4 3 2, write in column 3 2. Okay. Second row 3 4 5, write this 5 here, and next whatever the number 7. Now check. This is A. Next A dash. What is A dash? Transpose it. Yes. 4 column become row 3 2, next to 3 4 5, next to 2 5 7. Observe these two matrices are equal. Yes, all the elements are equal, therefore it is symmetric. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 4 3 2 4 3 2, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ 3 4 5 3 4 5, second column, third row 2 5 7, third column 2 5 7. Then these matrices are said to be symmetric. That is for direct. Next type of matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. What is meant by skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix is also a square matrix. So a square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A dash equals minus A. There, ಅಲ್ಲಿ A dash equals A. Here, A dash equals minus A. Let us take example for skew symmetric matrix. Yes, let us take A. A equals 0, minus 3, 5, 3, 0, 4, minus 5, minus 4, 0. It is example A. Then transpose it, that is A dash. First row become first column, 0, minus 3, 5, column 3, 0, 4, second row become second column, third row, minus 5, minus 4, 0, become third column, minus 5, minus 4, 0. Then take negative common here. If you take negative common, what happens? 0, plus 3 become minus 3, plus 5, minus 5 become plus 5, minus 3 become plus 3, 0, minus 4 become 4, 5 become minus 5, 4 become minus 4, 0. Then observe this one. So 0, minus 3, 5, 3, 0, 4, minus 5, 0, minus 5, 4, minus 5, minus 4, 0. Nothing but the given matrix A. Therefore, A dash equals minus A. Then this matrix is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Right? So, skew symmetric matrix agbeku andre the condition is A dash must be equals to minus A. Okay. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 0. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ 0, 0, 0, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 0. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ದ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ minus 3 are same with opposite sign. Next corresponding 5 minus 5 are same with opposite side. Next corresponding elements 4 minus 4 are same with opposite sign. So therefore it is called a skew symmetric matrix. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಥವಾ CET-ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ what? Principal diagonal elements are 0. Second condition, the overlapping elements or corresponding elements are same with the opposite sign. This is about skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Next, take another example for skew symmetric matrix. So what is the first condition? The first condition is 0, principal diagonal elements are 0. Therefore 0, 4, minus 5, here plus 4 is there, minus 4, 0, right, 6, here minus 5 is there, you have to write plus, then 6 is there, minus 6, 0. It is a skew symmetric matrix. Yes, check ಮಾಡಿ, principal diagonal 0, corresponding 4, minus 4, minus 5, plus 5, 6, minus 6. Therefore, it is a example for skew symmetric matrix. Next one, theorem. So, S theorem, for any square matrix A with real entries, then we have to prove A plus A dash is symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. What is the idea here? The idea is A is a square matrix, then the matrix and its transpose, their sum is always symmetric matrix. Matrix and the transpose subtraction is always a skew symmetric matrix. Means sum of the matrix and its transpose must be symmetric. Difference of the matrix and its transpose is always skew symmetric matrix. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎರಡೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಟ್ರಿಕ್. If you subtract A minus A dash is always skew symmetric matrix ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it is important. Let A plus A dash is there. Call that A plus A dash as let P. P equals A plus A dash. We have to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric. Suppose take example, A is symmetric if A dash equals A. If A dash equals A, then A is symmetric. If P dash equals P, then P is symmetric. Hagadre, let us take A plus A dash as P. We have to prove what? P dash equals P. Then P is symmetric. If P is symmetric, P means what? A plus A dash is symmetric. So, right? first dash p dash a plus a dash whole dash, yes, a dash plus a dash whole dash, separate. What happens? A dash plus a dash whole dash means a dash plus a, nothing but a plus a dash. So a plus a dash means p. So here p dash equals p. Therefore what? Therefore p is symmetric matrix. That's the proof. However, what is p? Substitute. P means what? A plus a dash. Therefore a plus a dash is symmetric matrix. That is the proof of, that is the first part. Once again, let us call a plus a dash as p. We have to prove a plus a dash is symmetric. Symmetric ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the matrix and its transpose are equal. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ transpose it. P dash a plus a dash whole dash as a dash plus a dash whole dash. A dash whole dash means a. A dash plus a ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, a plus a dash ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. So a plus a dash, call it as p. That is p dash equals p. When p dash equals p, therefore p is a symmetric matrix. What is p? We have taken a plus a dash. Therefore a plus a dash is a symmetric matrix. That is the first case. Let us take a second proof. That is a minus a dash is always skew symmetric. Again same way, let us take, let q equals a minus a dash. Let us take a minus a dash as q. Transpose q dash equals a minus a dash whole dash. Yes, separate a dash minus a dash whole dash means a dash minus a. A dash minus a is not equal to a minus a dash. Take negative as common here. If you take negative common, what happens? Minus a become plus a become minus a dash. Then equals, in bracket, a minus a dash is nothing but q. This is q dash. So q dash equals minus q. Q dash equals minus q means skew symmetric. Right? Q dash equals minus q means it is a skew symmetric. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ therefore q is skew symmetric matrix. What is q? We have taken q means a minus a dash. Therefore a minus a dash is skew symmetric matrix. That is the proof. Let us take one example for this theorem. So let's take a equals 1 2 4 5 a dash. What is a dash? Transpose it 1 2 4 5. Okay. First condition, a plus a dash, that is first case. So a plus a dash, add these two. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 5 10. Check. It is symmetric or skew symmetric? It is a symmetric because first row 2 6, first column 2 6, 6 10 6 10. Corresponding rows and columns are same or identical. Therefore it is a symmetric matrix. So means matrix and its transpose and their sum is always symmetric matrix. Suppose a plus a dash is there. This a plus a dash is divided by 2. Means 1 by 2. What happens? Divided by 2, 2 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 6 by 2, 3, 6 by 2, 3, 10 by 2, 5. Again observe 1 3, 1 3, corresponding first row and first columns are same. 3 5, 3 5. It is also symmetric matrix. If you divide by 4, what happens? A plus a dash is there. This a plus a dash is divided by 4. What happens? So 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 6 by 4, 3 by 2. 6 by 4, 3 by 2. 10 by 4, 5 by 2. Now observe 1 by 2, 3 by 2. First row, column nodi 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Same. Second row, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. Second column, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. Same. Means, what is the idea here? If a plus a dash is symmetric, then a plus a dash by 2 is also symmetric. A plus a dash by 4 is also symmetric. A plus a dash by something, whatever, it is also symmetric. That is the idea here. Then take a skew symmetric example. Same example, A equals same ide, A minus a dash. Take A minus a dash, subtract A dash. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. Observe here. Principal diagonal 0. Okay. Second condition, corresponding elements are same with opposite sign. Therefore, it is a skew symmetric. Right? Again, if you divide by 2, A minus a dash, what happens? Divided by 2, 0 by 2, 0, minus 2 by 2, minus 1, 2 by 2, 1, 0 by 2, 0. Means it is also skew symmetric. So, hagadre skew symmetric matrix na divide by 2, divide by 4, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, whatever the number, whatever multiplication, whatever division, it is also skew symmetric matrix. So, next take a note. Any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಎಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗಿವನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದಾ? ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಚೆಕ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಕಾಮನ್, remaining a plus a dash plus half common is there, a minus a dash cancel, remaining half into a plus a, half into a plus a means 2a, so 2 cancel, remaining a, so this equal. Means every square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Last term prove ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. A plus a dash is also is symmetric. Half into a plus a dash is also symmetric. A minus a dash is skew symmetric. Half into a minus a dash is skew symmetric. So sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric must be equals to the given matrix. This is the note. This note is very important for problem.